this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth soundbar on your Amazon Fire Stick. So what you want to do is go on over to settings right here, scroll on down and go to controllers and Bluetooth. Then go to other Bluetooth devices and go to your soundbar, and you want to put this into the Bluetooth mode. So let's go to add Bluetooth device right here and go to the F key on your soundbar and go to the BT option, and then it will show up under here. So you can just connect it under here. Then we want to back out, go to where it says equipment control, select this, and we can go to add equipment if we don't already have it. So let's go to add equipment, and it only gives me two options because I already have my soundbar hooked up, but let's go to soundbar right now. And then we can go to change soundbar. And then we'll have to pick the brand of our soundbar. And mine, it looks like it's Samsung. Please wait while we prepare this. So we got popular brands like LG, Samsung, Sony, Vizio. So Samsung, let's choose this. We'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume on your soundbar is turned up. So let's just press the plus key, look at it, and it's at about 15 is good. So let's go to next. And then it's going to play some music on my screen, and it's going to go in and out. Press the power button. So let's press this. Did it turn off and on? Did your soundbar turn off on? Let's go to yes. When your Fire TV remote, is the volume working? So it looks like the volume on my TV is going up when I press this. Good. So everything is working. And which input are you currently using? Just go to Bluetooth. But you also have optical cable, HDMI, USB, input not listed. I don't know what other input there is. But let's go to just Bluetooth, choose that. I'm using auxiliary. And everything's working on here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.